That your car's not running right.
What about the two-step?
What does that do? That makes no sense.
You don't like it?
Nah. See, the only reason why that fuel's getting dumped.
He doesn't want to admit it.
It's just gas. Exhaust valves are going to be just covered in carbon.
I think he likes it.
I think he likes it.
Guys, I got my dad back in the car. Last time he thought it was slow. Now it is supercharged. I'm really curious to see what his reaction is. It was so hard to convince him to get in the car. Is she waiting for us?
Yeah.
It's fine. What do you think of motor mounts?
Great.
You like it?
Something falling off the back.
What do you mean?
Something's falling off the back of the car.
No. What are you talking about? dude, don't get a ticket. Just don't. It's really cold out. Oh, hold it. Hold the gas more. No, like to 4. Hold it up at 4. More.
Driving a stick shift, it's been a while. Not bad.
Real quick, you have to do it. It's tradition. I need your reaction. Stay there. You smell the corn? You smell the corn?
It's too loud. The neighbors don't like that.
All right, guys, so I think he definitely liked it. A big change from his first reaction when the car was NA. I had just gotten the car tuned. It was pretty slow still, and it just kind of made a lot of noise. Yeah, I could tell he definitely liked it this time. He was ripping on it. I did not expect him to just keep ripping. He went to 4th gear. I was like, what the hell? Are we just gonna keep pulling? We're going like really fast. I don't want to say. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I think he liked it. Secretly, he likes it. He likes all the loud stuff too, probably. And this time he kind of let it show through. So that was really cool. Yeah, my dad's a character. Yeah, I love this stuff. My dad got me into this stuff. The cars, motorcycles. I mean, right in front of me is one of his motorcycles. Right behind me over there is his other motorcycle. And you know, I'm forever grateful for that. He's been a really cool guy. I had a really lucky childhood to grow up with a dad like that. And yeah, I just like doing stuff like this. A couple years ago, he got in a bad motorcycle crash, and you know, it kind of felt like I almost lost him because it was really bad. He had to get 2 reconstructive knee surgeries, completely tore all the ligaments in one of his knees. 3 of the 4 were completely severed. Somehow he luckily didn't land on his head or anything, so nothing really bad happened. He broke all his ribs though. It broke both arms. That was a really scary time for me. So yeah, I like to enjoy the time you have. Just spend time with your parents. I guess that's the message of the video. So I don't even know what I'm trying to say with this, but thank you, Dad. Love you.